Hello and welcome back to LS Kid Zone. Today we have a surprise for you. What do you have over there, dude? Batman? Cool, can you bring that over here so we can see it? Looks like we have the DC Super Friends, the Joker surprise gift set.
You point at yo.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Shows the Batman and the Joker. Look at that. That's cool. Alright, should we open it up?
You didn't even let it open itself.
I didn't.
No, this. When? I think you have to get this wipes.
Yes.
I think you got to get this wipes out first.
You do?
Yeah, you do. You always cut the swipes.
Oh yeah, you're right. These, huh? We do.
Oops.
There we go. That looks like a Batmobile thing, or like a bat bike, huh?
I'm not know what thing it is it.
You don't know?
It's so cool.
Yeah, it is.
Look, it's so cool. It's called. It's this one. Can you get so cool out of this wipes?
Yep.
I'll help you.
There we go. Let me get Joker.
So he can slide. Now Batman's all gonna finally get the circle. 2 circles.
Yeah.
Can you get this wiped out of the thing? And that knows that opens up. You didn't get those. And that's Batman and Robin.
No, wait, I think you gotta... I think we have to pull this thing out of here.
That's a metal cable.
There we go. There's the Joker car. Look at that.
That's one I saw.
Yeah.
This too.
Yeah, we'll show them. And then the bat bike.
And try to get confused.
Alright, let's get this stuff out of here.
How do you
Look at these.
put Sogo in his seat?
I think like that. I think he stands there. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Look. This moves when you move the wheels. Look, these look like fists, like punching bags. I think they go in there. Yeah. And then here's another Batman.
That's I think those are his.
A Robin.
No, I think these are his hands.
You're right. Here's a Robin. And then here looks like a bullet for the bike. Is that what that's for? Yep, right there. How do you shoot it?
Well, that's
It goes right here. Right there.
so can it shoot?
I'm not sure how you shoot it though.
I think it has a button.
Right there maybe? No, that's not it, huh?
How do you
Maybe
push?
oh, right here. Maybe it's not in all the way. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Alright, should we go check it out?
What this is to play with it.
I think that Batman might have some surveillance on the new Joker truck. Should we go talk to Batman and see what he has? Okay, let's do it!